Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. This video is going to be about starting lemongrass plants from plants that you get at your grocery store. This is like very inexpensive and very easy to do. Okay, I bought, let's see, 9, let's get them out of the bag here. I bought these 9 stalks. There's 5 here, 4 somewhere else. These 9 stalks at Cab Farmers Market, and as you can see, lemongrass, $1.28. So I bought 9 of these plants for $1.28. Now, when you're shopping lemongrass, you'd like it to have some green on it, obviously, but the really important part is you've got to have this little bit of stem. Sometimes you'll find it's been cut way up here. That won't grow. You need this little bit of stem here at the bottom. See, just a little bit. It may even be starting to show some little signs of mold or whatever, but you know, you'd rather it wasn't, but we can deal with that. But see, that's got a nice little piece of stem. Now, what you do to start these is like insanely simple. You're going to need a jar with some water in it. And you're going to take your plant and you're going to slice just the tiniest bit to get that little moldy spot off. And then to keep it from making a big, you know, being difficult to mess with, we're going to come down here and cut it. So, there's one. Get us a nice fresh end to work with. Maintain the same length, and we'll cut that one. This one looks like it might be cut way up here, so I better go on ahead because it's not going to sprout below that, and go with that much. Okay, here's another one. And now the last one. Okay, now we've got our 5 pieces cut down to a manageable length, and to get them started, pop them in the jar of water. That's it. You have now started your lemongrass plants. Now, the best part about, since you cut it, is if you look right here on the end, you'll see there's a little green core. Okay, within a day or so, you're going to see this core start to extend, and that's when you know that you're probably almost guaranteed you're going to get a plant. Now, here is a week and a half later. And as you can see, there's our beginning, and they're growing out. This is the other 4 of the 9 that I bought. These we started a week and a half ago. Just put them in a jar with some water, and they're starting to grow. Now if you pull them out, this particular one has not started to make any roots yet. Neither has that one. There. Tiny little roots started right there. See how this other one's doing? Oh, this one's way further along. See the roots here? Now, these can get considerably longer. Interesting. We've got good roots and only a tiny little piece jumping off here. These can get considerably longer, and then we'll move them over to dirt. So there's every reason to believe that for $1.29 and the little bit of effort that you've just seen, we're going to have 9 lemongrass plants. Now these plants here in Georgia will grow this year. By middle of summer, they'll be 2 feet tall, 2 feet across. They'll look like a really good natural grass. Sorry about my new dog barking. He barks. Trying to get him to stop barking means you have to go play with him. And then I can't do this video. So, these are the ones we've started. These are the ones we just did right now. Within a week and a half, these will have extended out like these. Should see the little nubbins in just a day or so. And that means we're well on our way to getting new lemongrass plants. Now, people have a lot of things they do with these that you can grind them up. Chris made from the ones she cut up. She ground it up in a mortar and pestle and made a really, really nice lemony tea. Mix it with some lemon balm or lemon verbena, and it's a very tasty lemon tea. Very nutritious, very good for you. You can grind it up and put it in food. It's an incredibly, you cannot hurt this stuff. You've got to chop it really tiny or grind it, something, because you'll never chew it up and digest it. You'll just grow old trying. So that's all it takes to do lemongrass. Seriously, find it in the grocery store. This is like fun. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.